Hey, look, I get it. You're in the market for a brand new drawing tablet, and there's a million choices out there. Well, how does a 19-inch tablet with a 4K screen sound? In this video, we're going to be talking about the XP Pen Artist Pro 19 Gen 2. And we're going to find out if this is the best tablet for you to get in 2024. Let's go. What's up, fam? It's your boy DKG72, and there's no denying that 2024 has been a banner year for XP Pen. You had the full rollout of the XP Pen Artist Pro 14 and 16. They introduced the Android-powered Magic Drawing Pad, and then most recently, they've introduced the XP Pen Artist Pro 19 Gen 2 and Artist Pro 24 Gen 2. In this video, we're going to be reviewing the XP Pen Artist Pro 19, and we're going to figure out if that's the best tablet for you to get, or if it's something else. And how we're going to do that is we're going to break this down into 4 separate categories. Category number 1 is, what does the Artist Pro 19 bring to the table? Category number 2, what are its strengths? Number 3, what are its weaknesses? And number 4, are there enough differences between the Artist Pro 19, the Artist Pro 16, and the Artist Pro 14 for you to pick one over the other? What does the Artist Pro 19 bring to the table? Well, first and foremost, a 4K screen, a very beautiful 4K screen. And on top of that, the screen has a matte finish, which makes drawing just excellent. You guys got to try that matte screen out on any of those tablets. You're going to love it. The Artist Pro 19 also brings you a number of mounting options, including the really cute fold-out legs. I love those legs. They're cute. And yes, I said it, they're cute. Don't at me. And on top of that, you also get a VESA mounting option so that you can put it on a swivel arm anywhere on your desk. The XP Pen Artist Pro also comes with 2, not 1, but 2 styli. And I found out that styli is the plural stylus, and I feel so much smarter for it. Back to the video. So you get a more traditional looking stylus, the look that Wacom popularized. And then you also get a thin stylus, more in the vein of an Apple pen or pencil. Yeah, an Apple pencil. The Artist Pro 19 also comes with a really dope carrying case for your styli, which has additional nibs and additional parts, as well as your dongle for your remote control. And they give you a bunch of extra nibs in a separate package, which is really dope. Finally, it comes with a number of connection choices, including a USB-C to USB-C connector on a braided, that's right, a braided cord, not one of those plasticky cords like the ones that comes with the Pro 16 and the Pro 14. All right, so let's talk about some of the strengths of the XP Pen Artist Pro 19. First and foremost is the size. That screen real estate is perfect, especially for me, because I love having as much space to draw on as possible. So it fits right in between 22-inch screen that I used to work on and the 16-inch screens that I have worked on before. And it just seems to be the sweet spot, especially for artists like me. So if you're artists like me, you're really going to love the Artist Pro 19 for that. Now, let's get to that 4K screen, because it is absolutely beautiful. The colors look great on there. Your colors are going to look great. Your art's going to look great. And obviously, if you have old 52-year-old eyes like me, being in 4K is unbeatable. Another strength is the matte covering that is on the screen, which makes it feel more like paper when you're drawing, especially if you're using the felt tip nibs. I'm telling y'all right now, that matte finish is just the best. Another strength is something that I don't plan on using, but you never know, is the VESA mounting options, because basically you can set it up on your desk anywhere to make it the most comfortable for you to draw. Another strength is coming with 2 styli, giving you a choice between, hey, one that's more traditional or maybe one that's more thin, which either one may be more comfortable for you. So giving you that choice really does come in handy. Another strength is the built-in stand, the little cute fold-out legs. I love those guys. They just fold right on out and they just look so cute. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. Tighten it up. Yeah, the legs, the little cute legs, they really are a strength, because they set the tablet up at the right height for you to draw on. Another strength is the abundance of different nibs that you have, that it comes with, and of course that you have access to. And on top of that, another strength is the customization options, because if you don't like the pens that come with the styli that come with the tablet, you can get a different style eye as long as it has the X3 chip in it. You also have different options as far as wires and gloves and stuff like that. So you literally can customize your tablet to fit your needs. That is a strength. Now we do got to get into some of the weaknesses, and some of the things that I consider strengths can also be considered a weakness for the Artist Pro 19. So the very first weakness that I want to talk about is the style eye. While I do like the thin stylus, it's just not my jam because I don't really use those that much. They're not comfortable for me, but it's a good stylus, really good stylus. But it doesn't have felt tip nibs. I don't like that part. The traditional stylus I like, but I don't like because it doesn't have the eraser option on the top, and I really like that feature. Now, there's a workaround. If the stylus has the X3 chip, like the stylus for the Artist Pro 14 and 16, and that stylus does have the eraser option, all you got to do is go to the XP Pen website, order that stylus. It's like an extra $35 and get it shipped out to you. And that's what I did. And so now I'm super happy. But people are going to consider that a weakness because you got to order something extra, and it adds to the overall cost that you're spending for this tablet. Another weakness is its size. While I do like a 19-inch screen, other people may not. And that does affect its portability because the screen is lightweight. It can be carried, but you got to get a case for it. They don't really have a lot of cases for it. I had to buy one no-name brand off of Amazon for mine, but it does work. But that might be a little bit of a turnoff for somebody that doesn't want to do all of that. So again, that could be considered a weakness, and I have to acknowledge it. And the final weakness is that it doesn't have touch functionality, which is a big thing because one of their competitors, Huion, does have touch functionality on their 19-inch tablet. So if you like to squash and stretch and move things around, that's something that's important to you. You might like the Huion better than the XP Pen. But if you're like me and that stuff's not important to you because you have other ways of doing the things that you need to do, the XP Pen is absolutely fine. And the final category that we have to look at is basically a question. Is there enough of a difference between the XP Pen Artist Pro 19, 16, and 14 to justify buying one over the other? And the answer is yeah and no. So the best way to put it is that it really is going to come down to your own personal choice and the things that really are important to you. Is drawing real estate important? Is the screen resolution important? Can you rock with a 4K screen, or can you rock with a 2K screen? Do you need multiple styli, or do you just need one stylus? Size and portability. Are you going to be taking this all over the place, or are you going to be more stationary? Those are big things that you have to think about when you're considering if this tablet works for you. And finally, ultimately, how much is it going to hit you in the pockets? The budget. So right now, XP Pen is running a sale on their website, and the Artist Pro 14 is selling for $314.99, whereas the Artist Pro 16 is selling for $497.99. These are some really odd numbers, by the way. Just wanted to put that out there. And the Artist Pro 19 is currently selling for $809.99. So again, consider all of those things, as well as obviously how much it's going to hit you in the pockets for, and that's going to help you make your decision. So let's wrap this up. Do I recommend the XP Pen Artist Pro 19? Basically, the answer is absolutely yes. Comes with a caveat. If you are an artist that needs the screen real estate, likes having the additional style eye, the connectivity and all that type of stuff in the 4K screen, yes, definitely get it. If these things are negotiable, or obviously if it just is not financially bearable, more than likely the Artist Pro 16 or the Artist Pro 14, and I'm more wavering towards the Artist Pro 16, would be a better choice for you. So that's how I see it. But if you can afford and you really like what you're seeing, get the Artist Pro 19. You're not going to regret it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit it with the big thumbs up, share it all over the internet, and I'll be back next week with another video. It's your boy DKG72. I'm out. Peace.